What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about making measurements and cutting wood around curved walls. As you can see here, this is a curved wall. I learned this trick from Finished Carpentry TV a couple years back. I found it to be a great method to get an accurate measurement when you're trying to fit a piece of trim around a curved wall. Now you can try to use a string, you can try to use your tape measure and pin it to the wall and try to hold it as tight as possible, but you're never going to be as accurate as this method here. And the method I'm talking about is just using a piece of tape to contour the area that you're dealing with. So let's just make believe that this joint here is where we'd be working from. I would overlap that joint with the piece of tape. And this works for a piece that's 10 feet in length. It works for a piece that's 20 feet in length. And we're just going to do one that's going to be roughly maybe 2 to 3 feet, because this is for demonstration purposes only, and I just wanted to show you the concept, but you can apply this to whatever length you need. All right, and obviously the longer the piece, the more accurate it's going to be. If it was a short piece, you could probably do it and get away with it within reason, but the longer the piece, the more room for error, right? So let's just say that this is the end of the wall that we want. What I like to do is I like to just cut it, take a razor knife and just put it right there, and then you pull on the tape. It gives you a very clean cut. Same thing here. I came over the point that I want to cut. If I put a real sharp razor right up on that point and then I pull on my tape, it gives me a very accurate cut. And if it happens to be a little bit too big, even better, right? You can always trim it, get those micro cuts at the saw and really dial it in the way you want. So now what we do is we take the piece off the wall nice and clean, make sure it doesn't touch itself or anything like that. And you take this piece back to your work. So let's just say this is the piece that we're working with, right? What we would do is we put the piece of tape right on the edge, okay, just as you see here. And that's your cut line right there. I mean, this is going to be as accurate as it gets. Obviously, if you're working with a curved wall, you're going to probably have a piece of flex trim or something like that. A lot of times the guys, what they'll do is they'll cut a bunch of curved cuts in the back of the piece to make it flexible and get that contour. But most of the time, it's going to have to be a piece of flex molding. But as far as getting the measurement, I found this to be the most accurate way. I've done a few of these installs and they've been very reliable as far as getting accurate measurements and not ruining the material, because let me tell you, the flex molding is a lot more expensive than the stock stuff you get off the shelf. So very important to get it right the first time. All right, guys, I thought I'd share that little trick with you guys. It's an awesome way to save the headaches and, most importantly, save money on wasted materials. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks.